Alright, so here we have our Italian style 3-cheese meatballs and our bacon. Here's going to need some toothpicks to hold the bacon. Now we're going to be adding barbecue sauce when it's almost done. But right now we're going to show you how to do these. And this is simple, something quick, and I know you guys are going to like. So first things first, we got to take out our bacon because we're going to cut them into halves. So there's 16 meatballs, so we need 16 pieces. Alright, now that we have that, let's go ahead and take these out. Alright, so here we have our meatballs, so we're just gonna grab it and wrap it, and then you're gonna grab a toothpick to hold that bacon, just like that. We're gonna leave about that much so we can hold it and dip it in the barbecue sauce. So we can pick it now. We're gonna put it on our grate. We're gonna do all of these the same way. We'll do the same to all of these, and we'll be back. Alright guys, so there you have it. So the video that I saw with these, they did not use any rub. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm not gonna use no rub. Since it's my first time doing this, I will try it, and then if they're amazing like they say they are, keep it that way. Next time we'll try them with rub. Now how are we gonna cook these bad boys? We're gonna put our pit boss to 350 degrees, and they're taking about 30 to 45 minutes. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our pit boss.
Alright, our pit boss is at 350. We'll be back in 30. All right, 30 minutes have passed. Now it's time to add some barbecue sauce to it. We'll be back in 10 minutes. All right, it's been 10 minutes. Ready to bring them out.
All right, so here we have it. Before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. Alright, so I learned a hard lesson today, and you guys have been telling me since I got the pit boss. It's been in every comment, and all you guys have been telling me, and I'm like, well, I don't really have that issue. Well, I had that issue today. Now, a lot of you said to buy a heat deflector because this ones don't have it because of the sear option. Now, the sear option is where you open your grates to cook over fire. Now, having the heat deflector there, you can't use it. Now, a lot of people will say the middle gets a lot more hotter than the surrounding. And so yeah, today when I did this meatballs, they were at 350. Normally I always cook like 275, 250. So the middle meatballs got a little bit more overdone than all the other ones. So I think it was only 2 of them, but the rest were perfect. So hard lesson learned. I will be buying a heat deflector. If you're buying a pit boss or just bought a pit boss, make sure you buy a heat deflector, because it's going to help you a lot. And I cooked, let's say I did 20 cooks. I used the sear option maybe 3 times. So yeah, it's worth it to buy it now, put it in there, and it's good. So now I know. Let's go ahead and try these. Wow. This is good. Wow. This is like a 10 out of 10. I'm going to tell you this right now, you cannot go wrong with this. If you want to do some sides, you want to do this, I'm gonna tell you right now, this is gonna be a big hit. You can do a lot too. This is really good. Definitely recommend this. This is something that you guys will like a lot. 350 degrees, 45 minutes total. At the 30-minute mark is when I dumped it in barbecue sauce and let them tack up a little bit more for an extra 10 to 15 minutes, depending how you see it. Other than that, this was great. I hope you guys liked this video. Hit the subscribe. I will see you guys next time.